bere service iga abantu baito none inwe teki getambukira moja na boko chigoro chira asenga yao uchibeke kabisa motu mekene familia yao mwensi eyenere korokwa nano Diamond tumeni ya mweri toko batebiri tuko cha serinde
nekene ina gitari ya Nuga Best nero yuka ebwate okubwa wokurubu wenya wetere chimashini chekerero kurwa sinseri ya South Korea niko bagotoka imeyomo cy'ubusungo asama gacho ahuru tawa sirirongo rya kabere eyiberanga nebengi ya Kenya Women batari rero gusiba hakirisi mugwetera se kinamba cyabo 0784 955 717 gose 0705 86 0053 Nuga Best kotanga mbuya kugwa kugwenia. Amasomo nanine obumanye nabubora irere omwana okugendera asamatuko ali busiro ne ye omwibuli kwabe gukuri Yesu kuro asora ire omwana anyorera obumanye nanine bukikosi kimaboko muretekero ka Technical Training Institute elyo aibunduse chikosi igaya ntubwate chikosi bunabono elya ya Building and Civil Engineering kubundisa teleboigo ekosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase ekosi ya Agriculture and Environment Studies ase ekosi ya Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician level 5 na level 6 ase ekosi ya Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosi ya ICT Technician level 5 na level 6 Getumbe ase nsema ya Community and Online Working imiyeskuru yigaya keti nigotubwate a Modern Library eyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibigotumika ale nayo kubundisa tule ekosi ya Version Design ase tubwate chimashini chekerero nkwegeli abale boigo Business Studies na Entrepreneurship nkwegeli bale Food Production yani Cookery na boigo Food and Beverage Production ase chinsamu cha Cosmetology nigoto kwegeli ya Beauty Therapy miranga ase Beauty Therapy nigo okwenyorera obumanyi bwekerero unabono ya Dressing Pedicure Manikiwa egatibu manyibunde obunge boigonto bwate kosi ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering agirira moletu mwanu ainyorere obumanyi bwiga na bono nigo intake y'umutinyu gatano egenderete agirira eskure yigani yere kilomita ya mune muskuru asomo chokeroka na wogwaka esimgwitra se namba 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirana kwenyorera obumanye iri webekeri bagali ya asense yiga yokwerwanirira
Omugaso y'omwanchumu ligereria Jumapili ya bene chitariki 25 nemo asomutienyi okane karibu sana aze Ekeonga Chinsa isano na Ibere elio tokomanye ayagendete gukolekana kurwa Chinsemo ime amona isiko yeliro bali agusi nigo tokubwaterana nere Wilson Makori kurugalia asensemo yebimanyeryo na incheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto naye omwanchumu ligereria genda gutobwatia ase mitandao yaito ya Facebook na bogo YouTube na Getembe TV elikwene ngo yanyorole onsi bunagendete gukolekana karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa isano na Ibere nigo toguchaka kurwa ase county ya Nyamira ase omokonyi bw'omurai w'ekyama gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i amona abarai ao egati yabo omuseneta bwe county ya Nyamira Senator Okongo Mugeni negati abarai obabete bagwikirana ase kanisa ya Adventista yatunga eyo gotoka imeye bunge ya West Mugirango imeye county eyo asebabete bagukwanira amang'ana au egati yabo kuburia eserikali kwa abanyanyimbo obosibule bogokora emirimo yabo natali kubabitiriria ase obokoreri bwabo nonye nabo omoseneta bwa county eyo nigabetega kuburia eserikali enene enyare ko bakegusika ogochika wekigambiro na kumwanchira yokabere omoseneta omochore omusibati Gloria Oruba kuirana ase ebunge buna omoseneta omochore.
Msifikiri eti kwa sababu saa hii, think about tomorrow. Fikiria mambo yako kesho wakati serikali hii haitakuweko. Kama wewe unafikiri eti kuna serikali inaishi milele, umondola kukambe miaka yao. Baine queen ya mangera sati yako. So tuwe disciplined, tuwe watu wa kuweka amani. Na mimi ninaamini tukiwacha hawa ndugu zetu wa usalama, polisi na wale wengine, tukiwaachilia bila kuwasukuma kwa maneno ya siasa, wanaweza kufanya kazi nzuri, wanaweza kuweka amani na usalama na kuhakikisha kwamba kila mtu anaishi kwa usalama. So Inspector General awache afanye kazi yake na DCI afanye kazi yake, na kila mtu ambaye anasimamia usalama aachwe afanye kazi yake bila kusukumwa kwa msingi wa siasa. Kwa hiyo ndio call abantu lota kidisegi na abantu lota kwa sikura ngeze bajaga nyama ile ba election watawita wana ba jinyora mo wasa ko ba ikura no ile baba to wangu wewe wana ni uzimo jo wako ba amole jikura nyoro kiese kanza ngamo ko ba akura no ile mo wasa ko ba akura no ile abata wano wemugo ka wadewerete kondo la dane ane romane ojo ise ito na magina ga foundation story foundation guys dinyo ko kora buga kuna kumenya bantu kile ituko yani naonya zata kitokorera bantu ite gazi kinjika bibi hapana tokore gazi yekene na inde gazi yezo kwenye bodi unaba uzingo wa dayotambe njengo bodi gazi no bororo no kuige na zinya sai lero rato kuendele simulimu.
Mimi kama senior council nataka nikuulize kwa sababu nimeongea na watu wangu wenye mimi nawakilisha kule seneti na ni Wakristo na wanaheshimu sheria. Wewe wakati ulikuwa unatembea na mheshimiwa Mwaura alifukuzwa bungeni, lakini wakati koti ilitoa amri ikasema arudi, seneti ilimkubalia na akarudi. Lakini huyu dada yetu kwa sababu anatoka jamii ya Gusii ambayo imesimamisha kiongozi yao Dr. Matiang'i anasimama president, unataka kuturumisha sisi. Na mimi nakwambia nitakuja kule seneti na wananchi wangu wamekubali, wako na mimi kwamba nikuja nikuambie uheshimu mahakama, huyu mheshimiwa Oruba arudishwe akae kule seneti. Mnakubali?
Aborokia bali inse y'ekyombe gya Kupet nigo bono bagosereirie guchikogenda omugiro guchakira eikeyega una chiskuru chiko igurwa onye eserikali tari guchikorigereria amakongu ayaborokia bagendete gwetera anene ase kaba yabo yobobwenia yasha onye nabo bali inse y'ekyombe kya Nat nigo barure chikibere choka guchiase umuwaziri bobochenu omusike Eden Duale anyare ko bagakorigereria amakongu ayo bagendete gwetera anene ase bima yabo oyobobwenia ayuka gendrete nigo omonogerio monene ase bunge enene omusike Moses Masika Wetangula abereka gotebabuna ni garachi gokorege ikarona mu waziri bwobochenu na kumubulia anyare ko bagakurigereria amakongwa balimu bagendrete gwetera anene kero bakurigia obobwe.
The teachers are suffering and we don't want them to continue suffering when they are being deducted twice, deducting the mandatory to SHA and the Mwalimu medical scheme. Let the teachers choose the medical facilities in which they want to be treated, not SHA choosing for them the medical facilities.
It does not work. We will behave, and we will behave as instructed by our members. That is, we give ourselves a leave.
Hospitals decline SHA or demand cash, which should be paid upfront before the treatment starts. SHA benefits are not comprehensive compared to the previous scheme that we had, that is Minet. Critical services are not covered.
We don't want issues of pre-authorization. A teacher staying in hospital from morning up to evening. So we are calling upon the government, Waziri, that if you don't fix it, in the next 14 days, we will fix it.
Nimetumia Adan Duale message ya kwamba
on Tuesday morning akuwe kwa ofisi yangu saa 2 asubuhi, nimuongeleshe mambo ya matibabu ya walimu.
Ebunge nene ya Senate nigo yarule ogukuru gutindi guchasa abagavana bonsi imeyense ya Kenya bali bonsi barabwate enaro yo gutaikirana ase ebikaro byokubulirwa amaboli igoro yo botumekibwe kibese chichi county echo bakoba bakubwatokero gukwana litkulia lero nigo boigo babere bakubulia bali bonsi barachigwikirania egekole kikyo gutaikirana ase amaboli anene igoro ye chiropoti chomo auditor general igoro yo botumekibwe kibesa Asichi County nigo barachwe mukirwa egetambukire getindikiri chiko asibabere bakubuliwa gotiga embweyo limuriuka.
The best thing is for governors to appear before the Senate committees. That is the basic, because we are serving Kenyans. If we give money to the certain county and there are issues raised by the Auditor General, you know, Kenyans must understand that it is not the Senate which creates audit queries. Audit queries emanate from the financial statements, which from the Auditor General after the examine. So when they come to the Senate, the report of the Auditor General, senators are free to ask questions the way they will. If they see you have bought you bought the curtains worth 70 million, they must ask which type of curtains are these. If you did housewarming with 5 million, how can you do housewarming with the public funds? So these are the issues, and the governors, we have told them audit issues are not a collective responsibility. Audit queries emanate from certain county government.
Those jobs come with certain responsibilities. If you chose to become a governor, we give you resources. Currently we are giving them more than 400 billion shillings, and in return they need to account for it. This Senate is committed to increasing the allocations to county governments. I think in the budget policy statement we have proposed a very significant increase to the money that goes to the counties. So the least we expect from the governors is as we give them resources, they need to account to the people. It's not just accounting to the Senate. Coming to the Senate is not accounting to the Senate, it's accounting to the people. So you cannot choose to pay a fine of 500,000 and not account to the people. That means that you're not serious about the job that you're doing. But the courts have made it clear. Conservatory orders that had been issued in a Kiambu court were quashed last week. And after we made our report and recommendations to the House, which were adopted on 31st of March, we have 30 days to start following up on implementation. So after 30 days, which shall be from the 1st of May, we shall proceed to the next level of forwarding files to the EACC, forwarding files to the DCI, calling the DPP to commence prosecution of those governors who are in contempt of Parliament, and also asking the Inspector General of Police to produce those governors who have been adamant.
Nabigo mwanchumu ligereria abamenyi be Chinsemo chabo nchali imeye kaunti ya Kisii nigo babeta bagwesokia abo litukuligoro na kweremera epara eyubatebire yabireke gusalika anene boniga ekirembure nyinge egendete gutugo kwane kirekyo nigo batebire buna epare yu nigo yabetege korosigwa amatuka bwangoiga chikinge igo chairire na kubwatekana nembure nyinge yu egendete gutwa nigo epare yu yabireke gusalika asibabire bakomuchia umunyakonda yobetega kwegwa ekonda yokorosia epariyo asibatebire nigata kolete mirimo yaye ase oboikirano baboriri umurai wensemeyo anyare kubaka wesokia na kubakonya elikorosia epariyo ase kiribuna nigo babete bakuyunchura na kuba umugondo asibabete bagusimeka ebitenga bya matoke eliko ene kibuna nguturubano balo bosombi ase pariyo yekerole nyanchwa.
Huyu contractor nilipomuuliza barabara kwa nini mtengenezi, akasema hii ni fefa wametupatia barabara kutoka kwa sasa mpaka satellite. Nikaenda kwa kera, nilipoenda ofisi jana wakatuambia watakuja, hakuna mtu alikuja kwa site.
Mama wakitoka sokoni wanaangushwa na pikipiki hapa, miguu inaenda juu. Sasa tunataka tunalilia serikali tena, wanarudi wanatuwekea hii. Sasa ni nini hii? Ni mara mwama niweke buza, hii ni kitu ya kupama.
Awi ni Kisii County ama tuko Nyamira, hao tunaweza panda kutoka town 300 bob na mtu kwenda Nyamira pandie 100. Hiyo ina make sense.
So hatujatosheka na uongozi wa hapa Bonchari, tunataka hii barabara iweke lami.
Hii ni mbolea, atuletee kama Chingende. Hii short term. Yeye tutamrudishia asanti kwa one term, si ndio?
Mwanchumu ligereria na rayikuru ase Ekeonga Chinsa isano na ibere mugaso olero chikuraga Chinsa 10 na bwigo Chinsa 2 ne Chinsa 4 no nyole ayu muna yanda mange ase nchira yobuime mbia muno yabene ase ngencho gochora gusangana Getembe TV yanda gutubwatia ase mitandao na Getembe TV elio gendere kwenyorera amange Wilson Makori kurugalia sensemo yebimanyererio nereto abwatiranire na incheni konkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto ekero omuroberio Schools Connect bagendete kuyarigania eliko enekibuna ngokoretera bale pambaizo asembeo eliko kingana ye aso toligereti kurwa nkonyaro likoba ogokwego kigenda gutwara oboligereri borobia asemero bilio au ime ya Getembe TV.
Amasomo nanne obumanye na bubora irere omwana okogendera asama tuko ali busio ne aye omwibuli kwabire gukuriye sukuru asoraire omwana anyolera obumanye nanene wichikose chemaboko muretekero ka Technical Training Institute elio aibundusa chikosi igaiga ntubwata chikosi bunabono elia ya Building and Civil Engineering kubundisa tureboigo ekosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase ekosi ya Agriculture and Environment Studies ase ekosi ya Applied